house is still so nice after 3 years. I definitely can give it 1,000 ringgit more compared to the empty units.
Oh wow, really?
It's too good to be true, right? But yes, this house is about 1,200 square feet, and before furnished it rents out at 1,700 ringgit, and after furnished it rents out as 2,700 ringgit.
That's crazy. We didn't expect that when you got SSF to design our dream wedding house.
Seriously? How much did you furnish it?
Only about 30k.
Oh!
With SSF, we can get it done for you in just 7 days.
Yeah, was ROI right?
Let me tell you, the wife is always right, and they are always right. Let me do the math for you real quick. Before furnished, the house was about 750,000 ringgit. With ROI per annum 2.7%, the money rent was 1,700 ringgit. After furnished by SSF, the ROI per annum is 4.2%, and the money rent now is 2,700 ringgit.
I have this couple with like an old lady mom, about 80 years, and they have 2 kids. I think this place is fantastic.
At SSF, we can make it suitable and comfortable for all kinds of tenants.